Well, I found a cool piece of software. It's called Lazycast. It's now running on this Raspberry Pi with normal Raspberry Pi OS terminal installation. The thing Lazycast allows you to do is cast things from, for example, your phone or your laptop to your Raspberry Pi. So if I go to screencast right here, I can link with my Raspberry Pi. Link, please. Yes. And as you can see, my screen is now mirrored to this television hooked up to my Pi. So if I go to YouTube, for example, and here's a short of mine, you can see the audio is coming from my television, and there's a slight delay, but nothing too bad.